Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the DDM Tuning 3x LED projectors, the ultimate choice for those seeking top-notch performance and reliability on the road. One of the standout features of these bi-LED projectors is their simplified installation process. With fewer components required, installation is a breeze compared to HID projectors, so you can say goodbye to tedious installations and hello to hassle-free upgrades that get you on the road in no time. And when it comes to longevity, DDM bi-LED projectors are built to last, featuring a completely sealed unit that eliminates the need for bulb changes. So you can focus on enjoying your driving experience without worrying about sudden lighting failures. In terms of performance, these projectors have truly surpassed HID projectors. With advancements in bi-LED technology, the light output is on par, if not superior, to HID projectors. And here's the best part: DDM tuning provides a non-destructive solution for installation. Our 3 bi-LED projectors are meticulously designed with a threaded shaft, allowing them to be seamlessly bolted onto most applications without the need for cutting or damaging your factory reflector headlight housing. Whether you're a fan of HID or LED projectors, DDM bi-LED projectors offer a superior balance of performance, reliability, and ease of installation. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your lighting game and unleash the true potential of your vehicle with DDM bi-LED projectors. Join the ranks of automotive enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best in performance and reliability. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the DDM Tuning 3 bi-LED projectors and illuminate your path with unrivaled clarity and style. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more incredible automotive products and reviews.